Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about SOUN stock and key level to watch August 19, 2026. In today's trading session the stock forming a bearish pin bar candle. Now the stock trading at 6.96. On the weekly time frame the stock is in downtrend, forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. On the daily time frame the key support level is 6.71. If the price goes below 6.71 it could test 6.02. The key resistance level is 7.62. If the price breaks above 7.62 it could test 8.22. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this analysis is helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.